Hi everyone. Today I'm going to share with you two companies. So I'm not suggesting any stocks to buy or sell. So let's look one by one. The first one is Raymond. Raymond is incorporated in 1925. So it's almost a 100 years company, a well-established company. It's into textile and apparel sector. So it is into real estate as well. So the company has a retail network of 1600 stores in India and 49 stores overseas. So it has a 9,000 market cap company. So ROC is 13.2%, ROE is 16.2%. The yarn quality is the best, we can say. So it is one of the largest vertically and horizontally integrated manufacturers of worsted fabric in the world. So the sales of this company has been not constant all over the year, so we can say that it's a seasonal business. But the best thing of Raymond is, see, in our parents generation there was something like a bell bottom fashion trend. So the trend change on generation to generation. So right now it's the bootcut style. So in the future and there may be some other trends. So the best thing of the Raymond is they are changing, they are transforming and fulfilling the needs of the generation. So they are also changing from time to time. So that's the best quality of the company. So whenever a company has to evolve, or I mean it should remain in the field, in the competition, means they have to change time to time. So they should fulfill the needs of the generation. So that's Raymond is doing. That's a very good thing. So that they can remain in the competition and make good sales and good profit. So if the company makes good growth in all over, so automatically the share price will rise. So that's made me very bullish about Raymond, and I have entered. I bought this at 800 rupees. So now I'm holding this stock, and I am very bullish. So I will hold for a long time. So for me it's a long-term bet. So I'm very bullish about Raymond. So next company is Mahindra. Mahindra is one of the most diversified automobile company in India, with presence across two-wheelers, three-wheelers, PVs, CVs, tractors and earth movers. So it has market cap of 1,52,000 crores. So ROC 11.3%, ROE is 14.2%. So and recently they have given an announcement that they are starting one more factory for tractor building. So it is a good company. So the best thing is they are into the electric cars, which is the future. So electric cars also they are manufacturing. So their presence is there in all over that automobile sector, and it's a very established company. So the sales has been, there will be some dips and ups in the sales and profit also, but overall it's a good company. So again, the main thing of this company is the electric segment entry. So in the future they are going to do the best in this sector, that is electric vehicles, that is Tata Motors and Mahindra also doing very good. So that made me bullish, and I bought this at 950 rupees. So I am holding this stock, and I will hold for long term. So that's all for the today. So I covered two stocks, Raymond and Mahindra. Both have bullish. So I am holding both the stocks. So next we'll discuss some other companies with good information. So until then, goodbye, take care.